Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off and placing the beats on a soft cloth. This prevents damage while you work. Once ready, find the seam where the pad meets the ear cup and use your thumb to lift an edge. Pull slowly and evenly away from the cup because sudden force can break plastic tabs. As you detach, keep the removed pad flat and examine the foam and inner plastic ring for glue residue or broken clips. This tells you whether you'll clean, replace clips, or buy a whole pad assembly. Once the old pad is off, clean the rim with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth to remove oils and leftover adhesive. This promotes a secure fit. Next, take the replacement pad and orient its plastic ring so the tabs line up with the ear cup slots. This alignment matters because misaligned tabs cause uneven seals and poor comfort. Press the pad in gently at first, then work around the circumference, snapping each tab into place. Make sure mic or sensor holes match, which preserves functionality. You finish by pressing the new pad firmly around the entire ear cup, holding each section for 10 to 15 seconds so tabs engage and any adhesive bonds. Consistent pressure ensures an even seal and prevents gaps. Once done, power on the headphones and test audio, microphone, and noise canceling to confirm everything works and the fit is comfortable. This verifies alignment. If you notice unevenness or rattles, remove and reseat the pad. Look for torn tabs or debris in slots, which are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.